Today, let's talk about the brains of a website, all that server-side programming stuff. You ever click a button and wonder what's going on? That's the backend. Let's dig in. So here's our game plan. We're going to break down all the key parts. Let's do this. It's all the work that happens behind the scenes. You don't see it, but it powers everything. To keep things from getting messy, devs use a blueprint called MVC. That's Model View Controller. And here's how it all connects. You can see how information flows between these three parts. Think of it like ordering food. The menu is the view, the waiter's the controller, the chef's the model. Now, developers don't build this from scratch. They use powerful engines, frameworks like Django or Rails. So, how does a request find the right place? That's routing. It's kind of like a digital switchboard. For example, when you go to /home, routing sends you to the code that builds the home page. But before that happens, requests often pass through middleware. Think of them as security checkpoints. This is super useful for checking if you're logged in or what you're allowed to see. Okay, but where does the server keep all this info? In a database, which is its long-term memory. You've basically got two types. SQL databases are like neat spreadsheets. NoSQL is way more flexible. To talk to the database, developers use an ORM. It's basically a translator for your code. All right, the last big piece of the puzzle is security. How does the server know who you are? It comes down to two things. Authentication proves who you are. Authorization is what you're allowed to do. And picking the right framework is huge. Each one has its own strengths for different jobs. So from the blueprint to security, every piece is vital. Which part do you think is most important?